Hi, I'm Tom Isaacs from PRD Nationwide Real Estate in Bendigo, and welcome to our January market update. In today's market update, we'll be looking at the current market conditions, rental market conditions, our forecast for 2016, and speaking with Brendan Spark from Loan Market. As 2015 rounded out, we've seen some really positive signs in the rental market, with 3% across Bendigo being the vacancy rate, which is a very healthy number. We've seen 2.9% in Epsom, and other suburbs followed suit. With the selling season in 2016 kicking off, we're seeing key indicators like land sales progressing forward and numbers increasing in sales. This is a terrific sign for the Bendigo property market, which should grow over the next 6 months. We're now here with Brendan Spark from Loan Market in Bendigo. Thanks for joining us today, Brendan.
No worries, Tom.
Brendan, if you can give us a bit of an idea about the role of a mortgage broker in the finance industry.
So the role of a mortgage broker is several things. One is to educate the client on the process of purchasing a home, and also make sure they're aligning themselves with the right bank or right lender to make sure they're getting the right product that suits them. Buying a home is rather daunting for people, especially for first home buyers. So I like to make sure that my clients have an exciting experience, which is what it should be.
I know with our clients, Brendan, a lot of them are very busy, and finding time to go and see the bank during the day is increasingly harder. So we've noticed with a lot of the clients that we have go through yourself and other mortgage brokers that consistently you're seeing them out of hours as well to help.
Yeah, absolutely. So I don't have certain work hours. I want to meet my clients' needs, and that means being there when they need them. Just being available 9 to 5 means they should just go to the bank, but we're available a lot of the times, day, night, weekends, to make it easier for our clients.
And it seems to be a growing industry as well, mortgage broking, because we're seeing probably over half of our clients that are purchasing are actually using mortgage brokers as well.
Absolutely. You'd say more than half mortgages these days are being done by mortgage brokers, which is really exciting. And the banks love that as well.
A quick tip for property investors in a competitive market is to make sure you're marketing the best way you can. We need to present your property in the best light to attract the best possible tenants. And this can mean professional photos, which makes all the difference when it's seen on the internet. So when you're dealing with a client and you're looking at their home loan and other needs, is that basically where the transaction stops, or does the relationship go forward?
No, actually, that's probably where the transaction starts. We want to help people own their own home as fast as possible. You've got to get the home first, then you've got to pay it off. So we help clients review their mortgages every 2-3 years to make sure they're still being looked after and got the right rate and product. We also try to help educate our clients on ways they can pay it off faster, i.e. using property to actually create their own wealth.
So Brendan, with the way rates are with banks at the moment and all this talk about fixed versus variable and so on, is it all about finding the best interest rate for the client, or are there other things you look at? Yeah,
definitely not just interest rate. There's so many products out there, and look, interest rates have never been so low here in Australia, so there's a lot of competition out there between banks, which is really exciting for people. But to be honest, it comes down to the product, the client, the rate, fees, charges, services, internet banking, no internet banking, having a branch, so many different lenders out there, multiple lenders, over 800, nearly 1,000 different products. To get the right one for the right person means more than just what's the lowest interest rate.
And there's a number of banks you obviously deal with that have different products that are probably more suitable to clients than for other clients, for instance?
Yep, so we've got 36 different lenders that we're accredited with. Absolutely, there's lenders out there that would be perfect for your international investor, right down to your first home buyer who wants to construct a home on some vacant land. So it's hard to get out there and find out which product and which bank's right for you. That's why we're so busy.
Thanks, Brendan, for taking the time to come and talk to us today.
My pleasure.
There's some fantastic information from Brendan Spark from Loan Market. For more information, Brendan's details are on the screen. Thanks for watching our January 2016 market update. If you have any questions or we can help, please contact us.